Next, let us look at some important concepts related to chemical potential. The chemical potential of the antiparticle of a particle is -1 times the chemical potential of the particle. As an example, the chemical potential of positron is -1 times the chemical potential of electron. Next, what is the chemical potential of photons? Let us look at this reaction. Positron plus electron gives us 2 photons. Now, in chemical equilibrium, we have mu positron plus mu electron is equal to 2 times mu photons. So this is when the reaction is in chemical equilibrium, and we will see that this reaction is in chemical equilibrium for a long period of time in the evolution of the universe. Therefore, we have chemical potential of positron plus chemical potential of electron is equal to 2 times the chemical potential of photons, and because of this relationship, the left hand side is 0, and this gives chemical potential of photons is equal to 0. So we get the chemical potential of photon is 0. Thanks for watching.